Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a place that, well, probably some of you will recognize. This is Pienza, a small town which lies in the heart of Tuscany. And the reason why this area is so famous amongst photographers and travelers from all around the world is because of its lush green fields, its rolling hills, its cypress trees, and, well, basically the classic countryside views. But today I'm not here for that. Even if right now it's raining, the forecast is saying that for tonight and tomorrow morning is going to snow. And, well, that's quite a big deal around here because we don't get a lot of snow on these hills. So I rushed down as soon as I got the news, and, well, I just took a room for the night, and I'm really hoping to see a white blanket of snow around here tomorrow morning, so that I'll manage to get some different and unique shots from this really popular area. So follow me, and finger crossed that I'll manage to snap some beautiful photos. Okay, so guess what? I was right. I got snow. Okay, actually a lot of snow. Well, not a lot, but it's like blizzard conditions. So it's quite crazy, and, well, there's a lot of strong wind, and you got all this icy effect all over the bushes. So it's really nice. I'm still in Pienza, waiting for the road to get clear a bit because it was quite dirty. So for now I'm just wandering around Pienza, shooting, street views, and, well, while I wait to go inside the countryside. Welcome back, guys. Good morning. As you can see, we are standing right where we were yesterday. So we got snow, and, well, conditions are great. I'm just hoping to get a little bit of clearing out there because for now the hills are just not still, well, can't see them basically. Okay, that's the problem. So let's wait a bit, and, well, let's venture out there and see if we can get something. What I love the most about, these small towns of Tuscany are the small streets like this one, okay? You see the beautiful contrast between the blue sky, okay, which is blue hour right now, so we get the blue tones in the sky and the snow, and the lamps, okay, so you get this stark contrast between these lights and, well, the moody atmosphere, which, of course, the snow in this case. That's the thing that impressed me the most. Time to leave Pienza. The roads are starting to get clear, and, well, it's time to move on and check all the most famous viewpoints, as well as hopefully some particular views of the area, and see how they are looking with these conditions. So stay with me. Okay, the next stop is the church of Vitaleta, okay, which is quite a famous spot around here, probably one of the most famous. Anyway, the altitude here is lower than Pienza and the country house that we shot before, okay, just a few minutes ago. So here there's a little bit less snow, and the blizzard is not as strong as on the hill. Point is that there's not much snow around, and Well, the landscape is quite different. I took a few shots, of course. Probably you don't even see the church from the lens because it's really wide. Anyway, it's on the other hill. And, well, not the shot that I was looking for, honestly. It's not that exciting. So let's move on and let's look for a few other subjects. So as far as famous goes in Tuscany here, this one is the most famous of them all, okay? At least photographically speaking. This is the Podere Belvedere, and it's quite close to San Quirico d'Orcia and also to the church of Vitaleta, which we visited just a bunch of minutes ago. And still, the same things that I said earlier are applying also here, because well, there's a little bit of snow, but not as much as I would like to see. So yeah, I'll try a few shots and I'll show you the perspective from a standard tele lens, so that you get the idea of what the shot is going to look like. But honestly, I wouldn't get my hopes high that this is a banger shot. Okay, so let's see, let's try. Currently, I am at the second viewpoint of the Belvedere. Okay, the Belvedere, the country house that I shot just a bunch of minutes ago, and probably the most famous photography location of Tuscany, I think. Yeah, quite sure of that. So I just arrived here, and well, this is probably the most famous view. Here we go, Tuscany in winter. Okay, not always like that, but still. Okay, let's say wintry conditions. This is it. Well, I just found a spot where there's not 1,000 kilometers per hour of wind, and I can just relax for 5 minutes, and with this view, which is, well, not quite bad, right? I just realized that the best part of the show, okay, that the best part of the reason why I came here, which is of course snow, it's gone. It's gone because, well, the hills are already starting to be green again, okay? And even if you still get some patterns, okay, so I'll probably travel more, okay, around these hills for another couple of hours. Most of the show is gone. So let's just chill out a little bit and, well, enjoy it, which is, well, generally it's the most important part. Alright guys, time to wrap things up. It's been a unique opportunity to shoot these places with such unusual conditions. All along the video we saw both the most famous locations of the area as well as some hidden corners. Probably the shots that I like the most are the one from downtown Pienza this morning. The lights and the White House streets were just creating a unique atmosphere. It was just magical, and it was also the thing that I enjoyed being there the most. Having said that, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed following me to explore these places with snow. Thank you.